In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split sections in Wix. Whether you're creating a dynamic portfolio, an engaging blog, or an e-commerce site, understanding how to effectively utilize columns on your web page can greatly enhance both the design and functionality of your site. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to add a strip to your page. Strips are versatile design elements within Wix that allow you to add color, texture, or even images across the section of a page. If you've already been working on your site and have a strip in place, you're good to go. Otherwise, adding a new strip is a simple process. You'll typically find this option in the site editor, where you can choose from a variety of pre-designed strips or create your own custom one. Strips are useful because they create a clean and organized structure, making your content more engaging and visually appealing. Once your strip is set, the next step is to click on it. When you select the strip, you'll notice a range of options and settings meant to help fine-tune its appearance and layout on your page. Look specifically for the layout icon, which is often represented by a symbol indicative of formatting or sections. This icon is your gateway to modifying how the content within the strip is structured. Accessing the right settings is crucial, as this is where you can make adjustments to better suit your design needs. With the layout settings open, you'll want to choose the option to either split the strip into columns or add a column. The advantage of using columns is that they allow you to present information side by side, which can be particularly effective for comparing features, listing services, or showcasing products in a structured manner. You have the flexibility to create up to 5 columns within a single strip, offering a wide range of possibilities for organizing your content. The ability to split sections efficiently helps in maintaining a clean layout and ensuring that the page is visitor-friendly. As you decide how many columns you need, consider the purpose and flow of your content. For instance, 2 columns might be perfect for a simple comparison, while 4 or 5 columns might work better for a more complex display of information. Experiment with different layouts to find the one that best suits your needs, keeping in mind not to overcrowd your page, which could overwhelm visitors. Remember, you have the creative freedom to adjust the width of each column, customize the background colors, and even integrate media or other elements to enrich your presentation. Take your time to explore these settings, as they can add distinct character and convenience to your site. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and spruce up your Wix website, making it not only visually appealing, but also highly functional for your visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.